In a lush, verdant woodland, there lived a humble goldfinch named Gilder. The goldfinch was a beautiful sight, with his shimmering golden feathers and melodious song. But Gilder was not content, for he had a desire for the extraordinary. One day, Gilder chanced upon a hollow tree, its entrance adorned with golden coins. Intrigued, he thought, if the tree is golden, surely the treasure within must be even more precious. With excitement, he peered into the tree. The moment Gilder entered the hollow, he found himself in a vast chamber filled with gold. All around him, the precious metal sparkled and gleamed, reflecting the warm glow of the sun that filtered in through the tree's entrance. Gilder's heart pounded with joy. But as he gathered handful after handful of gold, a sudden realization struck him. The joy he felt began to fade, replaced by a heavy feeling of emptiness. He looked around the chamber, at the piles of gold that he had amassed, and realized that he was no happier for it. Feeling disappointed, Gilder emerged from the hollow tree, his once shining feathers now dulled by the weight of his gold. He decided to return the gold to its rightful place, and as he did so, he felt a sense of peace wash over him. From that day on, Gilder lived a simple life, content with the beauty of the woodland and the songs of his fellow birds. He had learned a valuable lesson, that true happiness comes not from material possessions, but from the simple joys of life. And so, the moral of this tale is: seek not for gold or riches, nor let them weigh you down. For true happiness lies not in treasures, but in the peace found on the ground.